Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about option trading with some beginner basic information related to it. I was recently, up until this morning at opening bell, I was in an option trade and I sold it at over 130% gain. My trade was on Riot, a $15 call with the expiration date of April 19th, 2024. So, options trading is when you have indicators and information that signals you to an anticipated gain or loss in a particular stock price. If you anticipate the stock price to go up, you buy a call option. And if you anticipate it to go down, you buy a put option. And as I said, I did this particular options trade on Riot, which is a crypto mining stock. So, because of that, it moves with crypto, it moves with Bitcoin. And when I got into this trade last Thursday, February 8th, the Bitcoin was at about $47,000. I purchased one contract. I also had recently picked up 10 shares as a trade. So these are the two positions that I have in Riot over on my Webull portfolio. I picked up the one contract at 1.50. But when it comes to options, that means 150. So that's how much I paid. And this is pretty much as soon as I had gotten in, I was up 1%. It didn't really go down, but as soon as I got my order placed, I put in my first stop loss of 130. So at the most, that's how much I was going to be allowing myself to lose in case the stock price went down instead of up. So throughout the day, I held this from Thursday through Tuesday morning, February 13th. But I'm just going to show you quickly the screenshots of what went on over the couple of days as I was holding it. I'm up 44%. Now I'm up 81%. I increased my stop loss. Now my stop loss is above my buy price. So I know if I get kicked out, I will do it in profit. As the days go on throughout Monday, I'm up 133%. I increased my stop loss again. I'm up 140%. I increased my stop loss again. The stock continues to move. It came slightly down. You see here, I was up 143%, and then it came down to about 138. So this is my last screenshot that I took before I got stopped out. This was about 6 minutes before the stock market opened on Tuesday morning. And as soon as the stock market opened, you see here, it's 9:30 and 6 seconds. My order filled, which sold my contract that I had. So as I said, this type of stock moves with Bitcoin. And while I was holding it on Monday morning, Bitcoin's price pushed up to 50,000 and it has not been there since December of 2021. So, the time frame I had this between last Thursday morning up until this Tuesday morning, with the way that Bitcoin moved from 47,000 up to 50,000, was definitely going to impact my portfolio. I still have the Riot stock itself, but I got kicked out of my contract. Potentially could have gotten a little bit more gain, but because of where my stop loss was set, it sold first thing this morning when the stock price did dip down a bit. As of when I'm recording this on February 13th, Riot's price is $15.50. And Bitcoin's price has come down a little bit. It's at 49,005. So that's a little bit of the process that I went through. Just holding one contract, but I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. It's been a while since the economy has been in a place where I've held an option for overnight, never mind multiple days. I don't do it every week, but throughout 2023, when I did do options, I was holding them less than an hour, a very short time frame. So I want to just go through some steps to emphasize more of what I feel you need to do in order to be successful at options trading. First, you have to have a method of determining what options you're going to pick, a process for charting, identifying if there's going to be a breakout or a breakdown. which way is the stock price moving, and applying technical analysis so that you can make informed decisions when entering your trades. And another big part is risk management. And that's what I was trying to show you through the screenshots as I was evaluating where I was, raising my stop loss, mitigating the risk of the potential that I could lose in these trades, making that decision from the start so that the stock price does not drop on me and I'm here without a plan, hoping that it goes back up because things don't always turn around like that. And the last thing that I want is to lose 50 or 60% on a trade that obviously I got into to make money. Another key part of trading is having discipline, waiting for the right indicators before entering your trade. And as I've already said, mitigating your risk, having risk management so that you are able to keep your losses small. Take your time to learn, to practice, paper trade, buy one contract, build up your confidence, have patience, be confident in what you are doing in your trades. And with all of my investing, I don't let my budget hold me back. Do your research. If you need to find contracts that fit better into your budget, identify things that move in a similar way, and then maybe you can find something that better fits into your budget if the contract prices are higher than the money you have available to you for trading. So I've shared this before. This is Keenan Grace's breakdown of a portfolio. And before I do trades like this, I definitely have been working for years to contribute to my 401k, to build a strong foundation in my regular portfolios of my ETFs, my VTI, my VOO, my basic blue chip stocks that I have chosen, my Apple, Google, Amazon, things like that. But then I can have a few $100s, a few $1,000s even to use towards options trading or regular trades. As I was sharing in my screenshots, I also have 10 shares of Riot that I have not sold yet, and those are just for a trade also. And I purchased them at 11.96, and as of the time that I'm filming this, as I said, Riot is about $15.50. So I am up nearly 30% on my shares. So options move much faster than a regular trade and can be an opportunity to make money that you can then trade with or build up your foundational stocks, like for me, my VOO, for example, which is the S&P 500 ETF. That is one of my staples that's holding up my portfolio. So I've learned a lot by being in Keenan Grace's Discord community from him as well as many others in there. And I've taken the classes, I've taken my time. I'm confident in going in, placing my order, putting on my stop loss. So I definitely encourage you, if you want to get into options trading or regular trading, make sure you take the time, find the place, gain the knowledge so that you are on a winning team. You are on the winning side of this. Whether you're ready to get focused on your investing or your trading, use my Webull link. It'll be pinned in the top comment. Just like I feel that investing is an opportunity for everyone to build wealth, trading and options trading can be also, but take your time, be patient, be disciplined, and stay focused with our goal, which is to make money. I wish I had purchased more than one contract considering this great outcome, but 2024 is just getting started and I will be doing more trading throughout this year. Guys, I work full time. I have a lot going on sometimes during the day. So having my stop loss on, having a plan from the start allows me to do this, but have my peace of mind that I'm not going to potentially lose big. So that's it for today. Just a little bit of beginner basic knowledge on what is options trading, and how I navigated this small trade. I'll give you an update when I sell my Riot shares, and I'll be coming to you with more videos soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.